Hello everybody. Today discuss about Mathematics 1B model paper and syllabus and weightage of marks in a junior intermediate students. Welcome to Srinivas 424 online classes YouTube channel. First year freshers Mathematics 1B syllabus today discuss. In this Mathematics 1B divided two parts. One is coordinate geometry, second one is calculus part. One is coordinate geometry, second one is calculus part. This one is a calculus part. In this coordinate geometry, once again divides two parts. One is two-dimension geometry, another one is three-dimension geometry. Here, first four chapter belongs to two-dimension geometry. Next three chapters, 5th, 6th, 7th, this three chapter belongs to three-dimension geometry. In this two-dimension geometry, first chapter is locus. First chapter is what here? Locus. Second chapter is change of axis or transformation of axis. Transformation of axis. Next one is, third one is the straight lines. Fourth one is pair of straight lines. This fourth chapter belongs to two-dimensional geometry or two-coordinate geometry. After that, fifth chapter. Fifth chapter goes to three-dimensional geometry or three-coordinate geometry. Three-dimensional geometry. Sixth chapter, direction ratios and direction cosines. Direction ratios and direction cosines. This is the sixth chapter. Seventh chapter is the plane. The plane, this is the three-dimensional plane. Nothing but three axes. Next, this three chapter belongs to three-dimensional geometry. Next part is, here two-dimensional part, four chapters, three-dimensional geometry, three chapters, total 7 chapters belongs to geometry part. Next, calculus part. This is very useful and very important topic in intermediate examinations and EAMCET or JEE mains or JEE advanced examination. In this calculus, first chapter is limits and continuity. What is the first chapter? Limits and continuity. Next chapter is ninth chapter, that is differentiation. Differentiation or derivatives. 10th chapter is applicable of derivative, applicable of derivative or applicable of differentiation. This is the 10th chapter. This three chapter belongs to calculus part. This is the syllabus of Mathematics 1B first year intermediate fresher students. Mathematics 1B syllabus, total 10 chapters in Mathematics 1B. After that, model paper. What is the model paper? Model paper of Mathematics 1B is, in this model paper of Mathematics 1B divided three sections. First, section A. First one is what? Section A. Section A belongs to only 2 marks questions. Section A belongs to only 2 marks question. In this section, 10 questions are given. You can write 10 out of 10. Nothing but 10 questions, each question carry 2 marks. You get 10 into 2, 20 marks belongs to section A. Section A only 2 marks, no choice in section A. Section A, 10 questions are given. You can write 10 out of 10 answers. You get 20 marks. After that, section B. Section B. Section B belongs to only 4 marks questions. 4 marks questions. In this 4 marks question, 7 questions are given. You can write any 5 questions. Nothing but 5 out of 7. 5 out of 7. Total 7 questions are given. You can write only 5 questions. Each question carry 4 marks. 5 4s are 20 marks in section B. Here section B, 2 questions are, 2 problems are choice. Next section C. Section C belongs to only 7 marks bit. Section C belongs to only 7 marks. In this section C, 7 questions are given. You can write any 5 questions. Nothing but 5 out of 7. 5 out of 7. Each question carry 5 marks. Each question carries 7 marks. 5 into 7 is equal to 35 marks belongs to section C. Section A 20 marks. Section B 20 marks. Section C 35 marks. Total how many marks? 20, 20, 35. Total 75 marks in Telangana Board of Intermediate Examination. 75 marks question paper in Mathematics 1B. This is a model paper. After that, what is the weightage of Mathematics 1B? Each chapter. Discuss weightage. First chapter locus. In the chapter only one 4 marks question coming to the examination. Only 1 4 marks question. Next chapter transformation of axis also be coming only 1 4 marks question. After that this straight line. This straight line is coming 2 marks question, 1 4 marks question, 1 7 marks question. 2 marks, 1 4 marks, 1 7 marks. Total 15 marks coming to the straight line chapter. After that pair of straight lines. Pair of straight lines in the chapter coming to the 2 7 marks questions, total 14 marks. 2 7 marks questions. 2 7 marks question, total 14 marks. Here 2 dimension geometry total how many marks? 4 plus 4 8 marks. 8 plus 15 23. 23 plus 14 37 marks. This is 2 dimensional geometry, 2 coordinate geometry. After that 3 coordinate geometry, 5th chapter is 3D geometry. This chapter belongs to only 1 2 marks question coming to the examination. Direction, cosine, sine ratios coming to the only 1 7 marks question, only 1 7 marks. After last chapter is the plane. The plane also be coming only 1 2 marks question, only 1 2 marks question. Total how many marks? 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 2 11. 11 marks coming to the 3 dimensional geometry. 2 dimensional geometry 37 marks. 3 dimensional geometry 11 marks. Total how many marks? 37 plus 11, 48 marks coming to the geometry part. 48 marks coming to the geometry part in Mathematics 1B. After that calculus. In this calculus first chapter is limits and continuity. In this limits and continuity 2 2 marks question, 1 4 marks question. 2 2 marks question, 1 4 marks question. Total 8 marks coming to the IP examination, intermediate public examination. After that differentiation. Differentiation also be 2 2 marks question, 1 4 marks question, 1 7 marks question. 2 2 marks question, 1 4 marks question, 1 7 marks question. Total 15 marks coming to the IP examination. Last chapter of calculus is applicable of differentiation or applicable of derivative. This is a very long chapter. This chapter coming to the 26 marks. 2 2 marks questions, 2 4 marks questions, 2 7 marks questions. Total 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 4 18, 18 plus 4 22, 24, 26. Total 26 marks coming to the applicable of derivative. Very long chapter and very important chapter. 26 marks. Total how many marks? 26 plus 15, 41. 41 plus 8, 49 marks coming to the in the chapter. 49 marks. Total 49 marks coming to the calculus part in Mathematics 1B. Total how many marks? 49 plus 48, 48 plus 49, total 97 marks. 97 marks coming to the Mathematics 1B IP examination. You can write only 75 marks answer paper out of 97 marks. In this 97 marks, 26 marks coming to the examination, you get pass, or 27 marks, 26 or 27 marks. 26 or 27 marks you get pass in IP examination. This is the syllabus and weightage and model paper of Mathematics 1B pressure students in first year intermediate students. Okay students, thank you so much.